This video is going to be going over the May 4th assignment, which is our STAAR Review Day 12, in which we talk about angle relationships. We're going to start off with question 1. Question 1 says, in each diagram, line P is parallel to line F, and line T intersects lines P and F. Based on these diagrams, which statement is true? Okay, so let's look at answer choice A. A says the value of x should be 75 because the angles shown in the diagram are congruent. Okay, so we're talking about angle x right here. Okay, that's the only place we have x. All right, so when we talk about x, we can just go ahead and draw a circle here. We have 4 angles here, and then we can draw another circle right here. We have another set of 4 angles here. Okay, now when we talk about congruent angles, we can talk about corresponding angles. Okay, so in each spot, in the same spot on both of these circles, each color, okay, each angle that's corresponding in the same spot in both circles are congruent to each other, okay? So, for example, blue is equal to blue, green is equal to green. This purple right here, this angle here is going to be equal to this angle. And then we'll do orange. This angle will equal this angle, okay? So this is saying the value of x should be 75. If we talk about corresponding angles, this is a true statement. So x should be 75. So this could be your correct answer. Answer choice B says the value of x should be 105 because the measures of angles shown in the diagrams add up to 180. Okay, so this is not going to be correct because, again, we have corresponding angles here. If this side's 75, this angle is going to be 75. So this is not correct. The value of x should be 140 because the measures of the angles shown in the diagram should add up to 360, and 360 minus 110 plus 110 is equal to 140. Okay, again, we have x here. We don't have x over here, okay? So this is incorrect. The value of x should be 70 because the measures of the angles shown in the diagrams are both 70. Again, we're talking about just this one right here because this one includes our x, not this one, okay? So our only answer choice that we should choose is answer choice A. This is the correct answer for number 1, all right? Let's go down to number 2. Number 2 says find the value of x in the triangle, okay? So we want to know this value right here, okay? We know all triangles, all their degrees equal up to 180 degrees, okay? We also know 180 degrees is a straight line, okay? That's 180 degrees. It's a straight line, okay? So to start off, we're going to look at this part right here, okay? So we can find the angle that goes right here. We want to find this angle first, okay? So let's find this angle. If we know a straight line is equal to 180, this angle right here is 133, so we need to find just this missing piece. So all we have to do is go into our calculator. Let me open up a calculator page. We need 180 for a straight line minus the angle that we already have, which was 133. So 180 minus 133 is equal to 47, okay? So this green part right here is 47 degrees, okay? So again, we said triangles, all their angles add up to 180 degrees, okay? So we have 47 plus, we know this is 94, plus x will all equal 180 degrees, okay? So we can add these two numbers up right here and then subtract it from 180. So let's go add 47 and 94 real quick. 47 plus 94 is equal to 141, okay? So we have 141 plus x is equal to 180. We'll subtract 141. We'll subtract 141, okay? So 180 minus 141 is equal to 39. So x is equal to 39 degrees. This is our answer right here, okay? Which is answer choice D. D is our answer for number 2. Moving on to question 3, our final question. Based on the triangle diagrams below, which statement is correct? Okay, so it says K is equal to 250 since 35 plus 35 is equal to 70 and 180 plus 70 is 250. So it looks like they want us to find K. Okay, so let's go ahead and find K. So we can ignore these for right now. We're going to just look at this one. Again, we know all triangles, all the angles in a triangle equal 180 degrees. Okay, all the angles equal 180 degrees. Okay, we also know a straight line is also equal to 180 degrees. Okay, it's a straight line. That's the angle. Okay, so since we're already given two angles right here, we're already given this angle here and this angle here, we can go ahead and find M. Okay, so we'll take 35 plus 35. Let's see what this equals. 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these two equal 70. We know all triangles equal 180, so now we'll just do 180 degrees minus 70 to see what M is equal to. Okay, 0, 1, 1. M is equal to 110. Okay, so we'll put 110 here. So now let's go back to the straight line. Straight line is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, and now we want to find K. If 180 degrees is a straight line, and we know angle M is 110, 110 minus 180 is equal to 70. Okay, so K is equal to 70 degrees. Okay, so we have K is equal to 70 degrees and M is equal to 110 degrees. Okay, so let's read our answer choices again. Okay, so it says K is equal to 250. We don't have that. Okay, so A can't be right. It says K is equal to 180 since 180 minus 35 is equal to 140. As soon as we see K is equal to 180, incorrect. K is 110. Okay, M is equal to 110 since 35 plus 35, 35 plus 35 is equal to 70. 180 minus 70 is 110. That's how you find M, okay, not K. So this can't be our correct answer. Then it says K is equal to 70 since 180, okay. So it just did minus 35 minus 35. We added these two and then subtracted. So this is 180 minus 70 technically, okay, is equal to 110. That's what we got for M. And 110, or 180 minus 110 is equal to 70, and that's what we got. So D is our answer for number 3. And that's going to conclude our video for the May 4th assignment, our STAAR Review Day 12. If you need to complete the redo assignment, go ahead and complete that. If you have any questions, please get in contact with us.